Hi everyone, hello. My name is Abu Shadab. I am a HR professional by the day, and by the night I do multiple things, and I'm also a sustainable fitness coach. So I'm a fitness enthusiast. I have the honor of being the guest this Saturday, that is 18th of March. Timing will be 7:30, and I'll be coming on Prashant Saini's YouTube channel, and I want all of you to be there because we are going to talk about a very important thing, and that is called health. Just to give you a bird's eye view, most of us, whenever I talk to people, I haven't come across anyone who does not want to take care of himself, especially from a health perspective. But it's very sad that majority of us are doing nothing. And the worst thing is, we only come to realize when we are in the ICU. Do you really want that to happen? I'm sure you don't want. So when you attend the session, I'm going to share some of my wisdom, and I hope that you will take care of yourself, especially from a physical fitness perspective. Okay, so the date is 18th March. The time is 7:30 p.m. onwards. Please be there. Let's have a great session, and a round of applause for Prashant Saini. He is a miracle magic coach, and that's one of the things that we need in this life today, miracles, right? So take care. I'm gonna see you guys. Bye bye.